Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's day 2 of Vlogmas. I got my trusty sidekick with me, Colton Kim. Say hi, Colton. Hi. All right, so our agenda for today, it's pretty adventurous.
I would like to the play place today because it's not raining.
Yes, we are going to a play place. Probably gonna hit up the skate park or find something down off Manchester. But I gotta do a thumbnail for this upload. We're gonna go do that at the Audi dealer.
Yeah, I like Audi dealer.
You like the Audi dealer?
Yeah, I don't want to go to the skate park or the park. I just want to go to the play place. I like it.
Well, anyway, we gotta go to Audi to pick up some keys. So, about a month and a half ago, I thought I lost my keys to my car. Well, my other car, which the reality is I didn't. They were on top of the fridge, buried underneath a whole bunch of his arts and crafts supplies. So I ordered a $150 key for no reason whatsoever. But I ordered it straight from Audi UA. Audi Auto. Yeah, it's Audi Auto AG, not AU. Straight from Audi AG, and it came from Germany. Took like 4 days for them to cut it and ship it over here, which I was very impressed about.
Daddy, we will play the play place after we pick up the keys.
Yes, that's what we're gonna go do. So we gotta go get the key, and then we're gonna go play. Then we're gonna get some work done. So I gotta figure out what the progress is on the wood chipper and see if it's in a condition to come outside. And if it's not, then we're not working on Corey's car. If it is, we're gonna work on Corey's car today, which is the B8A4. It needs a vacuum pump and it needs a PCV system, or AKA his catch can resealed, but more on that later. Oh, I got Kansas City and I got Florida. What is going on here?
They're having a race.
I think neither of them can drive worth a dang, and they all want to sit in the fast lane. And if none of that's doable, it's a really nice day outside, so I think we'll jump in the Yukon and we'll grab the weed eaters. Probably a good day to clean up the tire corral. So, yeah, I'll just check in later. Favorite place to be. Let's see what kind of cool stuff they have at Audi today. What do they got? What do they got? Anything we want to buy? That looks yummy. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the Lamborghini.
That's a BMW i8. Hold on, we're gonna make another. All right, well, we're making another vlog entry. So I'm gonna enter. I guess I'm putting another vlog entry in here for our daily vlog, and yeah, so my phone has been so my phone has been broken for like a month now. The back of the phone screen is kind of screwed up. At some point in time in the world, I dropped this thing. Long story short, if you're in Chesterfield and you got a Samsung 20G Ultra thingamabobber Note, you break, we fix here in Chesterfield. Those guys are amazing. This is the second time they've fixed my phone for me, and I know it's just gonna be as amazing as it was when it was brand new. So, shout out to those guys. What are we doing now, Colton?
Play time.
We're going to play places?
Yeah, what's up?
All right. It's playtime now.
Either toy time.
A few inches later.
All right, guys. So it's time to do a check-in moment here. Oh, shut the radio off so we don't get demonetized. All right, so I'm gonna give a huge shout out here real quick to You Break I Fix here in Chesterfield. This is the second time I've broken this phone, and the second time they fixed it. Absolutely amazing people. Highly, highly recommend it. If you're in the Chesterfield area or greater St. Louis and you need your cell phone fixed, give You Break I Fix a shout. They'll take care of you nicely. On a side note though, Colton's at school now, so it is time to go play Mr. Fix-It. I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna leave it here for right now. We're gonna run to the farm, get some tools, and see if we can fix something that's broken. Pretend where you break, I fix. So now we're just gonna run out. So now we got the phone done, I can shoot videos on it again. I'm super stoked for this because this whole thing right here was all jacked up, all broken. But anyway, let's get to the farm, shall we? All right, guys, so I had a bit of a fear about this when we got the key. So I picked up my key earlier, right? You guys remember going to the dealer? Well, long or the short, the keys aren't the same. They are not the same. By like so much, they're not the same. They'll go into the ignition cylinders just fine. Like you can put, it goes in there, it goes in here. You know, I can put these in here, and it'll even go into the ignition. So yeah, definitely got a problem. Called RwdyAudi, talked to this Mark over there. Basically he was like, just bring the car up, bring the keys up, and we'll get it figured out. Because these things, if you don't know, they are cut off the VIN numbers of your car. So it's very, very specific. And these are like, so basically when they cut these keys, it's a machine that goes in and it goes zzz. Unlike a conventional key, like a Honda key here, these are still cut. These are cut with like grinding wheels. These ones, not so much. These are cut with a laser or like a, almost like a rotary, like a CNC type thing. I was told they were laser cut, so this doesn't look like a laser cut though. This looks more of like a rotary drive bit of some sort. I would take a gander. These are made on some special like CNC machine style thing with a little rotary blade in. It goes zzz. All right, guys, well, it took me a little bit longer than I expected, but I'm finally at the farm. Had to do some side stuff real quick. All right, guys, so we're finally out at the farm, and I don't have a lot of time left in the day. I was going to, you know, do some weed eating down at the, you know what? Why don't we just go down there real quick? So this is my junkyard, where basically I keep all my tires and a couple of my extra cars and a parts car, which we won't even go into why we have a Saturn Vue. Actually, that's a lie. I'll tell you why. Long story short, brother-in-law blew it up many, many years ago, and it's sat there ever since. No one knows what to do with it. No one wants to do anything with it, but it has electric assist on it. So it's got this like GM electric steering assist motor in it, and we're gonna figure out a way, because we got two options on the LSA Audi. We can put electric assist in it from that car, which I've already bought the parts from the UK like 2 years ago to adapt it to the car, or we can go with like the Volvo electric power steering, or we can put an LS power steering pump on it and just go to the factory rack. I've got some options there. I'm kind of more leaning towards the electric assist, but I could do that for another car. Anyway, I need to clean this area up. It's a freaking disaster down here. The winter is coming, so my time is getting limited here, and I don't know what I have and what I don't have. I know actually I need an 18 while we're down here. Do I have any of those? Anybody want a Kawasaki bike? If you come to Missouri, it's yours. Kawasaki, right there. Oh. I think these are 18s back here, or are these 20s? Yo, the dry rot on these is real. 18s, there we go. Cool, 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 cool. All right. Well, now that I showed you guys that, that's what we gotta do eventually. We'll get there, just not today. I think instead we're gonna work on the LSA. It's been like an hour or so, do some welding on the tunnel for the LSA, get that hammered out, and then we'll see what the night brings us. I will say, doing these vlogs is a little, I don't know, different. Trying to do it every single day. I'm not even really shooting. Today is not even December. So this is like Vlogmas episode number 2, and it's November 29th right now. And I don't know what this is gonna, I don't know what the data is gonna show. I don't know what I don't know what the analytics are gonna show. I don't know if any of you guys are gonna like this. I hope you guys do. This is definitely a different way of shooting it, and So since I've ran out of time today of really being able to wrench on anything, by time I mean it's what, 3:30 right now, 4 o'clock right now. I'm gonna put this down, we're gonna set this thing to a lapse, and I'm gonna stitch weld what I can here. I gotta get a piece of aluminum or something, because if you put a piece of aluminum back there, you can basically fill weld that thing. We're gonna try to get some stuff done here. Here we go. All right, well, I got a whole bunch of that. You know what I'm doing. Just gonna get it done. If you guys are liking this type of content and you're liking Vlogmas so far, let me know by smashing that like button. And if you don't like it or something is odd to you, or you just wanna say hi, let me know in the comment section below and I'll say hi, or we can figure out what you don't like. I don't know. But yeah, because I guess if you don't like it, that's what the internet does, is they just go down in the comments and let us know that we don't like what you're doing. Either way, I'm gonna get back to doing this shenanigans. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, I thought I had this thing turned on while I was doing some more work down here, but didn't have it on, so it is what it is. Anyway, here's where we stand. Tunnel is, this side of it is pretty, let's not lie here. This side of the tunnel is like barely done. Not even barely. Barely is the wrong word. I'm probably 25%, 30% done with the tunnel. I got basically from like here backwards back in the car. I got the front half still to do. I'm gonna be able to do the inside, but then I'm gonna have to take the motor out to get to the bottom of the front side of it. And when we do that, we'll go ahead and do the steering rack at the exact same time. And we'll probably go ahead and get the steering rack lines ran. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a power steering pump for this guy. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Let's vote on it. What would you rather see? Electric power steering adapted from a Saturn Ion, or GMLS power steering adapted to a factory Audi rack, Audi power steering? Let me know in the comment section below which would you prefer to see, and I'll just do either. I'll do whichever one that y'all vote on. It doesn't matter to me. Both are gonna be functional, both are doable, both are easy. It's just a matter of make my mind up for me, because some days, the hardest part about building a freaking car is that you have a TV playing in the background when you're trying to shoot a vlog. The hardest part about building these cars, guys, is that sometimes, and not even sometimes, every aspect of it, you ever heard the phrase, there's more than one way to skin a cat? Well, this is a prime example of there's more than one way to skin a cat. There are more than one way to do any single part of this car that I am trying to build. That light is flashing and it's bugging me. Oh, and I dropped my brand new phone screen that I already had replaced. We're not even picking it up because I'm afraid to know what's wrong with it if it broke again. So we got a lot done, I feel like, today. That's where I'm gonna end this week. I was about ready to say that's where I'm gonna end this week's upload, but it ain't a week, it's a day. So that's where I'm gonna end this one today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because something like 96% of you guys aren't. Which means if we had all 96% of the something like 6,000 daily views on the channel, wow, that would be crazy. That would be so crazy. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Peace, I'm Audi. We'll see you tomorrow.